Hello my dear students. Now we are going to start with our new unit, Unit 8, Holidays. Please open page 86. What can you see in the picture? Okay, let's first brainstorming. What can you see in this picture? Now, in my opinion, I see a man who is walking on the beach, and do you see this? I think that he is selling hat. I think that he is selling hat. And what things do you like to do on holidays? What do you like to do on holidays? For example, I like to swim in the sea or in the swimming pool. I like summer holidays. And what do you like? And what else? It is a nice sea, by the way. Okay, now I think we can skip this page. Okay, page 87. Now, vocabulary part, the seasons and weather. Look at this picture. There are 4 seasons in 1 year, 4 seasons. These are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, what is spring? What can we say about spring? So we can say that the flowers are blooming in the season, and summer, you know that it is a very hot season. And autumn, what can we say about the autumn? The leaves are falling on the ground from the tree. And winter, it is a very cold season, and we can make some snowmen and like that. Okay, so let's remember there are 4 seasons in 1 year. Okay, and for example, spring. In spring, which months are in spring? What can we say about this? Can we say that March, April and May are in spring season? I think yes. And what about summer? Summer. Think about your own country, about Turkey. What can we say about the summer season? I think that we can say June, July and August. So 3 seasons. There are 3 months in the summer season, okay? And what about autumn? What about autumn? What can we say about it? I think that we can say September, October and November. And the winter season, the coldest season. Which months are these? We can say December, January and February. Okay, let's check. And yes, spring. Okay, these are about different countries, so we talked about our own country, Turkey, okay? Now please listen carefully to these seasons and
CD 2.
Months, sorry.
Track 31. Listen and repeat. Spring.
March, April, May.
Summer.
June, July, August,
Autumn.
September, October, November.
Winter.
December, January, February,
please take your notes. Now let's continue with exercise 2. Match the photos of the weather with the phrases in the box. Okay, now let's look at the phrases. It's sunny. Sunny, we say it in the warm, hot weathers, okay? Foggy, it is a kind of weather that it is hard to see. And icy, it is freezing. And windy, it's very hard weather. And what about snowy? Snowy, you know, snow. And stormy, it is again a very hard with thunder and lightning. It's a hard weather. And rainy, you know what rain is. And cloudy. Okay? Now please listen carefully to these phrases and match the pictures with these adjectives. Okay.
CD 2, track 32. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. It's icy. 2.
It's windy.
3. It's sunny. 4.
It's foggy.
5. It's rainy. 6.
It's cloudy.
7. It's snowy. 8.
It's stormy.
Okay. Please check your answers. And now, look at part 3. Complete the table for you. Okay? Find a partner at home and please answer these questions about yourself. For example, what is your favorite month and why? For example, my favorite month is August because it is my birthday, or because I like summer month, okay? It's very hot month. Okay, please complete this table by yourself. Now let's continue with vocabulary bank, page 114. Please open page 114. Here there is a table. Okay, let's zoom. Here, the seasons and the weather adjectives. Okay, please take these notes on your notebook. It is very important. The seasons and the weather adjectives. Okay, all of these are adjectives. Please take note. Okay, now please open grammar reference page 106. Page 106. Okay. Now, look at this table. Be going to. For example, when we are planning something about the future, not about the past, not about now, but we are planning something about the future, okay? There's something certain that I am going to do. For example, I'm going to Istanbul next summer, okay? This is my plan and I'm going to do it. Okay, now let's look at this table. The positive form, these are the subjects, okay? And after the subjects comes be. What are be? Please remember, am, is, are, okay? These are be, okay? And now the negative form is I'm not, isn't, and aren't, okay? I'm not, she isn't, or she's not, we aren't, or we are not, okay? And after the be, first subject plus be, and after be comes going to, okay? And after the going to, we put the things that we are going to do, that we have planned. Okay, we are going to have lunch, or we are going to watch a film. Okay, this is my plan. For example, she isn't going to watch a film. She isn't going to watch a film, okay? She didn't plan it, okay? And look at the positive form. I am going to have lunch, okay? I am going to have lunch after an hour, okay? This is my plan. It is certain. I'm sure about it. Okay, now look at here the rules. We use be going to talk about the future plans and intentions. Look at the example. She is going to take her camera on her holiday, okay? She's going to take her camera on holiday, but she isn't going to take her laptop, okay? She isn't going to take her laptop, okay? And the other rule is to form the be going to future, use be plus going to plus infinitive, okay? We use again verb 1, infinitive. Don't forget it, please. Now let's look at the example. We are going to have dinner in a restaurant, but we aren't going to stay late, okay? So they have a plan, they are going to a restaurant, but they are not going to stay late, okay? Now let's look at the exercises. Going to questions and short answer. Let's first look at this part. Okay, how do we ask the questions? So, I am going to, am I going to? So, what is changing here? We put the be before the subject, okay? For example, is she going to win? Is she going to Ankara? Okay? So, the be comes before the subject and the others are the same, okay? And how do we answer? The positive way is yes, she is, or yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm not going to win. No, she isn't going to win, okay? These are the negative form. Now let's look at the rules. We form yes-no questions with be before the subject. As I said before, we put the be before the subject. Don't forget it. And the example is he going to tell us the answers? Is he going to tell us the answers? Let's look. Is he? Okay, so be comes before the subject. Okay, to form WH questions, put a question word before be. Okay, so if we are going to answer about something certain, for example, the time or the person or what it is, for example, what is he going to do? What is he going to do? What is his plan? Okay, what is he going to do? So what comes before be? Don't forget it. What are you going to wear to the party? What are you going to wear to the party? Okay, I am asking what about what you are going to wear. About the thing that you are going to dress. Okay. Now let's look at the examples here. Exercise 1. Write sentences using be going to. here, how should we complete this? They, where is the B? They are going to go. They are going to. So what did we add here? Be plus going to. They are going to go, verb 1, shopping on Saturday. Okay, this is the first one. Now let's look at 2. Andrew, what are we adding here? Andrew is going to phone me tonight. Let's check it. Andrew, yes. Andrew is going to phone me tonight. Okay, what did we add? This is the subject. After the subject comes be, and after that comes going to and verb 1. Okay. What about the others? 3. I play my favorite song. So what are you planning? I am going to play my favorite song. Please take your notes. I am going to play my favorite song. Okay, the next one. You watch a film on DVD. You are going to watch a film on DVD, okay? You are planning this. You are sure about it, okay? And the next one. My mom. So what is the be form? My mom is going to help me, okay? She's planning to help me. And the last one, we. What is the be form? We are going to ride our bikes. We are going to ride our bikes. Okay, please take your notes. And let's continue. Yes, exercise 2. Write the sentence in the negative form. Negative form. Okay, this is the positive form. Look at the first example. Josh is going to tidy his bedroom. What is the negative form of this? Just the be turn into negative form. Josh isn't going to tidy his bedroom, okay? Just this change. Okay, it's very easy. Come on, you can do it. Number 2, I am going to study math. Okay, I'm going to study math. What is the negative form of this? Of course, I'm not going to study math. Okay, 3, Rebecca is going to get up early tomorrow. What is the negative form of this sentence? Rebecca isn't going to get up early tomorrow. And the next one, Carl and Simon, okay, this plural, are going to wear shorts. Okay, what is the negative form? It is very easy. Carl and Simon aren't going to wear shorts. Please take your notes, by the way. And the next one, we are going to take our MP3 players. So what is the negative form? We aren't going to take our MP3 players. Let's check it. Yes, that's true. And the last one, you are going to buy a new mobile phone. You are. And what is the negative form? You aren't going to buy a new mobile phone. You aren't. Okay? You are not or you aren't. It's the same. Okay. Thank you.